What's up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method. You follow and take action on this method, you can start getting some traffic and you can start making some sales, guys. So if you're watching the channel, you're going to notice that I'm making some extra money like this on ClickBank, guys. And if you follow this step-by-step method, I'm going to show you guys today, you can start getting some traffic, start getting some sales on ClickBank as well. So once you're on the channel, guys, so the training that I created, so I created a training that is going to show you guys step by step how I'm making some sales like this on ClickBank. And if you click the first link in the description, you are going to get this training that you can go and teach you step by step how you can start making some extra money like this using paid traffic, guys. So I've been making money from paid traffic and some money from free traffic as well, guys. So also some of my students have already started getting results. So this is the Facebook group. So if you're about the training, guys, all you're going to do is you're going to go to the members area. I'm going to leave a link back to the Facebook group that you can go and join, and you can also start participating in the Facebook group. So this is one of my first students, guys. So you can see he has made his first sale using this exam method that I'm showing in the training, guys. So you can see he made the first sale of $38. So this method works. All you have to do is go through the training, and if you take action in the training method I'm showing you guys in the training, you can start making sales, guys. So the secret is taking action on the method, because the method works and I use it every day and I'm making some extra money like this, guys. So in this video, guys, so let's see the person that won the course giveaway. So I'm giving a course every video that I'm making. So all you have to do to win the course, guys, is you're going to subscribe to the channel, you're going to leave a like on the video, and also put on the notification icons and comment on the video for a chance to win my course that I'm selling for completely free, guys. So all you have to do is go and subscribe to the channel, comment on the video, guys. So let's see the winner of this course. So the person that won this course, so let's go to the last video. So this was the last video, and there's going to be a lucky winner for this video. So I'm going to copy the URL of this video, and let's see the lucky winner of this course. So let me go to this website, comment picker. So we're going to input the URL of that video, and we are going to get the YouTube comments. So in my last video, we had up to 66 comments, unique comments, and we're going to choose a random winner for my course. They're going to get this course completely free. So we're going to click on start. So let's see the winner of this course. And the winner of the course is Lexi Bella. So if you are the winner of this course, all you have to do is you're going to contact me through Instagram. That I'm going to leave in the description that you can contact me through Instagram. I am going to give you free access to my course for completely free, guys. So that's all you have to do. Comment and leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and you can also have a chance to win this ClickBank training for completely free. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the training. Let me show you guys step by step how you can use some traffic methods right today, and you can start getting some sales on ClickBank. So that's it. So let's get into the video, guys. So this is a method I've shown on this channel, and many people are not using this method, and this method is actually working. I'm going to show you guys proof of me making money using this method, guys, and I'm doing this completely free. So no investment is needed for you to get started using this exam method I'm going to be showing you guys in this training, and I'm making a good sales from using this free traffic method, guys. So if you watch this video step by step to the end, and if you take action on this method, guys, this is a method that is working for me, and many people that are using this method are making sales using this method. So be sure to watch step by step, take action on this method, and you can start getting some results, guys. So the first step, as always, that you're going to choose a pro you're going to be promoting. So with this particular free traffic method I'm going to be showing you guys step by step to the end, what I'm going to do is that the products that convert very well for me, that I'm using and I'm making good money from it, is products in the e-business and is products in the spirituality niche and self-help. So self-help and spirituality. So if you click, for example, self-help, you're going to find a lot of good products that you can go and promote using this particular method. So let's start by Gravity. So this one, for example, Overnight Millionaire, it's a product converts very well in the spirituality category. And if you go, for example, to the next one, so if you go, for example, to self-help, so let's click on self-help, and what we're going to do is that you're going to start by Gravity as well. So that was self-help. So we're going to click on spirituality, and let's see the top products on spirituality. So the numerology product convert very well for this exact free traffic. So I'm going to be showing you guys. So I've promoted this particular product using this free traffic method I'm going to be showing you guys, and I've made good sales promoting this particular product as well. I've made good sales promoting this particular product as well using this free traffic method I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. So you might have seen this free traffic method before, because I've shared this free traffic method on this channel, and what you're going to do is that you're going to watch this video step by step, take action on this method because this method works, guys. So these are very good products you can go and promote in spirituality and new age beliefs. Particular category converts very well using this traffic source that I'm going to be showing you guys. So what I want to do is that you can promote any of these type of products, but you want to make sure that they also have high gravity, they're paying very well, and they also have upsells. So that is very important. You want to make sure that it has upsells. So I've been stressing about that, and it's very important. Always make sure the product you're promoting has good upsells because you can make a lot more money when somebody buys the upsells. So you can see this one is converting very well, but the problem is that its average sale is very low right now, guys. So they have reduced the amount that they pay per sale. So I'm still promoting this product sometimes, but I'm not mostly promoting this particular product. So I'm going for high ticket products like this one that pay a lot more and they also have good upsells. So let's say we're going to promote this one, for example. So let's go to the affiliate page and make sure that it has good upsells that you can go and make a lot more money if you're promoting this particular product. So if you go to the affiliate page of this particular product, so you're going to see that you can earn up to $300 per sale. So this is very important when you are promoting a product. So you can earn up to $300 per sale and 75% commissions on the front end, guys. So let me show you guys the free traffic method I'm using to make some good sales like this. I'm also going to show you guys the proof of me promoting this particular product and making sales with it. So the method I'm going to be using to get traffic, guys, is Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build an Instagram page. So I'm stressing on this method because this method works and I'm making good sales from Instagram, guys. And you can go and model what I'm doing and you can start following it right today. If you implement this in a few months, you're going to have a big Instagram page and you can start making good sales from it. So for this particular example, so let me show you guys some proof of me making money from this method, guys. So you can see, guys, so if you look, you're going to see Instagram. So Instagram, you can see sales $231 from Instagram, and this is from completely free traffic, guys. As you can see, it's from the 25th to the 26th. So this is in one day, guys. So it's like in 2 days I made up to $231 from using this free traffic source, guys. So let me reload this. You can see from 25th to the 26th. So let's continue, and as you guys, you're going to see that's the result, $231 from completely free traffic that you can start using, guys. So what you're going to do is that you're going to follow this step-by-step training, implement this method because it works and you can get some good results like this from Instagram free traffic, guys. So the product I'm promoting for this particular example is the Overnight Millionaire. I'm going to check this product out using free traffic. I've made very good sales promoting this product using free traffic, guys. So if you go to the product, you're going to discover it has a lot of good upsells. So that's what is helping me to make a lot more money, guys. Because if you go to my transactions, you're going to discover that you're going to see upsell. So I made about 2 or 3 sales, but I made a lot more money from the upsells. So this is very important. So always make sure that any product you're promoting has good upsells, guys, because the upsells help you to make a lot more money faster, guys. So let me show you guys my Instagram page that I'm using to promote this particular products that I've shown in this video some time ago. So this is my Instagram page, guys. I've shown you guys in some of my videos. This is the Instagram page that's making me money from completely free traffic. And I show you guys, all you have to do is start growing this page. So the earlier you start growing this page, the better for you, because in some few months the page is going to continue growing. But if you are not going to start today, in some few months you are not still going to have a page. So it's very important that you start growing an Instagram page and start promoting these different affiliate products, and you can start making good sales promoting these products on Instagram, guys. So you can see my page is almost at 16,000 followers, and all you have to do is that you are going to start, guys. So the method I'm using to get these images, so you can see I'm posting only this type of images. I'm posting simple images on this page, and I'm linking people back to my affiliate offer. So if they click this link, they're going to go to my landing page that's going to send them back to my affiliate products on ClickBank, guys. So I'm stressing on this method because this method works and many people are still making a lot of money from using this exact method. So you can see these are my posts. You can see up to 1,000 likes, 800 likes, 300 likes, 1,000 likes. So at the end of the post, so what you're going to do is that you can create this in any niche. So you can create this in any niche. You can create it in spirituality. Me, I'm creating this post in spirituality. What you have to do is that you're going to download simple posts like this. As I show you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to get this post for completely free, and you're going to write a simple call to action. So let me open one of these images. So what you can see, guys, is that I wrote a simple call to action and I'm linking people back to my affiliate offer. So I'm asking them to click the link in the bio, to go to my affiliate offer, and I'm using simple hashtags, guys. So you can see the simple hashtags I'm using. I use these simple hashtags and sample back to my affiliate offer. So always make sure that you have a call to action and also have hashtags that's going to help you to get a lot more exposure and a lot more traffic back to your page. So as I show you guys in some of my videos, all you have to do is you're going to search, for example, you are going to be creating your page in spirituality. For example, this type of page that I'm using right now, you can just search, for example, law of attraction. Search, for example, law of attraction. You're going to find a lot of this type of pages. So you can see this type of pages. All you have to do is you are going to download this type of images, put it back on your own page and link it back to your affiliate offer. So this is a method that many people are using, and if you go to Instagram and find, you're going to see hundreds of these type of pages that are using these exact methods and they're making sales because this method works, guys. So I show you guys, all you have to do is copy the URL of the Instagram page, go back to this website, gramsave.com, go to gramsave.com, and you're going to download the images very easily. So you're going to paste the URL, you're going to click on download, and you're going to be able to download many of these images. And you want to download this type of images, guys, so you can download this one. You just click on download, and that image is going to be downloaded and you can upload it on your Instagram page. So what you want to do is that you want to be posting daily. So if you are growing a new Instagram account, you want to be posting daily at least 4 times per day if you are still growing your Instagram page. And once your Instagram page is big, you can be posting about 3 posts every day, guys. So I recommend that you get started with about 4 posts every day posting on your Instagram page, and you want to use relevant hashtags like this, guys. It's going to help people to find your post, guys. And also you want to be getting followers. So to get followers, guys, all you have to do is go to the competitors. So to get followers, guys, so one of the best methods that you can go and use and start getting followers, that you can go to the competitors. So people that are creating similar pages like you, and you're going to follow their followers. So let's go, for example, so let's start, for example, law of attraction. So if you are using, for example, law of attraction, you're going to find law of attraction type of pages. So if you are creating pages, for example, in fitness, you're going to look for related pages to the page that you're creating. And what you're going to do is that you're going to go to their post, so you can see this is a similar page, and you're going to go to their post, so you can see their posts that have engagement. What you're going to do is that to get targeted followers, because you need targeted followers that are already interested in the type of content that you're going to be posting on your Instagram page. So you're going to do is that you're going to search for similar pages. You're going to go to the page, you're going to go to the post, so you can see this is the post. And what you're going to do is that you're going to follow the followers of this particular page. So this, you're going to click on this, people that like this page. So you're going to click on this and you're going to follow the people that like this post, because it means that these people are interested in this content, and if you are creating a similar page, they're going to be interested in your content as well. So you're going to be getting targeted followers, not just all type of followers. So you want to be getting targeted followers that are interested in the niche that you're creating your Instagram page about, and many of them can follow you back, and you can get a high chance of people buying your affiliate products, guys. So you can follow about 100 people per day, but you don't have to do a lot of following per hour, because if you follow a lot of people per hour, Instagram is going to block your account. So you want to be following people, but not too much, guys. So you don't want to follow a lot of people one time. So you want to be spacing it out. For example, you can follow, for example, 20 people per hour, and you can space that out throughout the day, guys. And what you want to do is, guys, that one of the methods I'm using to post on my Instagram page. So this is my Instagram page. All of this posting, guys, I'm not doing this manually. So I'm using a tool that is helping me to post this every day. So I don't have to be on Instagram trying to grow this page every day. So I'm just posting this automatically. So the tool that I'm using, guys, if you watch some of my videos, is this tool. It's called Post Early. So I'm not promoting this tool, I'm just showing you guys a tool that I'm using that is helping me to post on my Instagram page very easily, guys. So what it's going to do is that it's going to schedule your post. So I can schedule my post and it's going to post it automatically on my page, guys. So I can schedule post, for example, for 1 week, and it's going to be posted automatically on my page. So if we go to the pricing, so you can see that they do not have a free plan. So right now they have a free plan that is available, and you can go and take advantage of this free plan, and you can start put one of your first Instagram accounts, and you can start scheduling your posts using this particular software, guys. So you can see up to for $6 a month, you can have up to 3 accounts, and you can schedule your post on this. So what I mostly use this tool for is for scheduling my post. So you can see this free plan, so you can go and get your first account for completely free. So the website is called postearly.com, and all you have to do is you're going to have you to schedule posts very easily, and you can post them on your Instagram page without you being on Instagram, guys. So this is the software, guys. So the software is very easy to use. All you have to do is, when you sign up for a free account, or if you are paying for the monthly plan, all you have to do is add an account. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on this add accounts. you're going to be able to add your account. So you're just going to input your Instagram username and password, and your account is going to be added on this software. And that's it, guys. So all you have to do is you can upload. You can see this icon. All you have to do is click on this. If you click on this, you're going to be able to upload images, guys. So the images that you downloaded, all you have to do is click on this, and you're going to upload the images, and it's going to show right here. And next, all you have to do from here is you can select the image. So let's say you wanted to post this image, and we upload this image, and wanted to post this image. All you're going to do is that you can write the caption. So you can write the description of your post right here. And all you have to do is that you can schedule. So you can click on post now, and it's going to be posted on your Instagram page. Or you can click on schedule. So you can click on schedule, so you can see the dates. You can choose any of the dates. So let's say you want to schedule this at 3 o'clock. So you can choose 3 o'clock. This is the minutes. You can choose 3:37, and that's going to be posted. And you can write the text that you want to post with the content. So you can just write text right here. You can see how it's going to look like once it's going to be posted, guys. So you can see you're just going to write the content right here. I'm going to click on schedule post. So you can schedule this post, and you want to schedule the next post. All you have to do is choose the image that you want to be posted, and you can choose the dates. You can choose the time, and you can see, guys, you can see that's how easy it is for you to use this software. So once you choose the time, all you have to do is click on schedule, and it's going to be posted at that particular time. So you can choose different days. So you can go right to the 28th. I can choose the time, click on schedule, and that is all. It's going to be scheduled, and that is very easy for you to go and use, guys. So they have now a free plan, so go and take advantage of this free plan that is in this software, and you can start scheduling your post and start posting automatically on Instagram for completely free and start making some extra money from Instagram, guys. So what you have to do, guys, is that you're going to create a simple page like this. So if you're going to using spirituality, you can create simple page like you can model my page, and all you're going to do is you're going to leave a link back to your affiliate offer. There's going to be a landing page, so you can use Linktree, or you can use your own landing page and link people back to your affiliate offer, because you cannot post your affiliate links directly on Instagram. So it's very easy. Take action on this method, and you can start getting some results. So that's it, guys. If you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and take action on this method, guys. And if you want to win my training as well, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment on this video, and you're going to have a chance to win my training as well. So if you want to get my training as well for a limited discount that I'm using to make thousands of dollars fast online, you can also click the first link in the description to learn more. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.